Before Codehack, I had never written a line of code.
I used to think technology was only for experts.
Codehack for Beginners by Pwani Teknowgalz introduces young women into the world of technology and digital skills.
During the program, I was able to learn HTML and CSS where I created some websites.
I learned how AI tools can help with creativity.
I learned how to design using Canva.
Using HTML and CSS, I created a school website about a dance school, and I got the inspiration from a school located in Nashville, which the owner is my namesake.
Being a lover of food, I successfully created a restaurant website and I uploaded it on Netlify. Please go check it out.
Being a lover for graphic design, I was able to create a poster by the help of Pwani Teknowgalz training, and this poster was calling out for volunteers in project monitoring and evaluation. Through my Codehack experience, I did not just gain skills, I became more confident in my ability to learn, to adapt, and to take up space in tech.
Pwani Teknowgalz is not just teaching technology, but they're transforming lives and shaping them into a better future.
Codehack for Beginners is an experience which builds your skills, challenges your thinking, and opens your mind to creating real-world solutions.